Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty Passion. It's Friday, just got paid. Friday night, party jumping, feeling right. Yes, y'all listen. Before I get started in this topic that I wanted to talk about, I need you to like my video. I need you to like my video right now because you already know it's going to be great. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, who better? Who better? Ain't nobody better than Beauty Passion. Nobody. Thank you everybody for watching all my previous videos. I really appreciate it. All right, let's get started in this beauty talk about Glorilla. Now, Glorilla has been getting some slack in the social media world because she went, I don't know if she went on her Twitter, I don't know what she did, but she recorded a video and she was saying how women should go 50-50 when they with somebody. Now, Glorilla is young. Let's start there. Glorilla is young. So she's just talking about stuff that she might not even have that many experiences with because she's young. And let me just let y'all hear what she said about going 50-50 in a relationship.
May ruffle a lot of feathers. And you know, some people may want to fight about it. But it's the topic on the 50-50 with a relationship. Me, personally, I feel like you supposed to go 50-50 with your because if a just get you to the point where like you just feel like you don't got to do nothing, like he gonna make you lazy. And as a woman, you should want to have your own going. You shouldn't want it to be where if I leave you today, he was paying all the bills and now you got this big weight on your shoulders. You shouldn't want that. Like, you should be able to like feel like, okay, if you leave, I'm good. If you stay, I'm good. Like, either way, I'm good. Like, and you should want to be a team. Like, the more money y'all make, the more shit done. Like, if he just buying, if he paying for everything, don't you want gifts sometimes? Don't to buy you sometimes, like, and don't you want to buy something from him? I just feel like it should be 50-50, like it's a team effort, especially, and it goes to if you married too. Now I'm not speaking on, I don't know the experience if you have kids or not, because I don't know that yet. There might be a different story, but just a relationship, like, you know, married or not, like, we doing this together. You a person, I'm a person. We should be doing it together. You able, I'm able. You know what I'm saying? You shouldn't want nobody to just take full responsibility for everything. Like, you supposed to be able to stand your own, and like, you supposed to be able to bring something to the table. Like, I don't understand y'all with it. You gotta do everything. Like, they just your mind up. It's making you lazy. It's making you feel like. One more thing on that topic. If a putting in all the work doing everything, I guarantee you it's gonna be off. Cause what you gonna do? What the gonna do when he leave you?
Okay. Glorilla, I understand what she was saying. As a woman, yes, you're supposed to have your own money. You're supposed to have your own means of income. You're supposed to have everything. So if you like wearing Gucci, Prada, Fendi, no, don't depend on a man to buy you Gucci, Prada, Fendi. Go out there, make your coins, and buy your own Gucci, Prada, Fendi. And then if you want to ask them for some Gucci, Prada, Fendi. But be able to buy yourself what you want first. Let's start there. Second, when she say 50-50, what's she talking about? Because I'll be damned if I be living in a house with a man and I'm splitting the bills in half. I'm not going down the middle with no man I live with. Let's start there. Second of all, I grew up in a household with my mom and my dad. They've been married for over 40 years. They didn't split no bills. My daddy had the bulk of the bills. My mama had her bills. And if something went down and ends didn't meet, they both worked together to pay whatever bill it was that fell short. Nothing was based on nothing was like, okay, the bill $50, where your $25 at? Okay, this bill $100, where your $50 at? That ain't how they did it. My daddy took care of the rent probably, or the mortgage payment. because he provided a house for his kids and his wife. So that was what he took on. He took on other bills. He took on important bills. And then my mama had her bills, and then that's how it all worked out. Again, if they fell short on something, they figured out how to get the money and they paid the bill. When she say 50-50, baby, no. Ain't no 50-50. If that's the case, I might as well get a roommate. What I got a man for and I still got to pay 50-50? That just don't make no sense. And again, she's young, so she don't know any experiences or had any experiences dealing, living, like she's still young. She haven't had any experiences. Second, she mixing up two thoughts. Yes, you're supposed to have your own money to buy what you want. Don't depend on no man to buy you shit. That point she making is true. But when she started talking about 50-50, that's where she lost me. That's where she lost me. A man is not equal. My man cannot be equal to me. No man should be equal to their woman. You are supposed to be the leader of the relationship. No woman should be a leader of the relationship. I shouldn't be paying all the bills and then you sitting on the couch with your feet cocked up. That just is not going to work in this society. And I've seen a plenty of healthy relationships in my past and my future. The man take on a bulk of the bills, and whenever the wife, the girlfriend is supposed to kick in when he's having problems or he falling short, that's when she's supposed to kick in. No, don't put all the bills on him. If y'all got 10 bills, he not supposed to take all 10 bills. This is in a normal relationship. We're not talking about a celebrity relationship, because those are another different level. Celebrity relationships are a whole nother level. We're talking about a normal relationship. Normal people. The man takes the bulk of the bills. Give me the little bills. We have a savings account for vacations for the family, the kids, whatever, that we might contribute to every month. And that's how it goes. Ain't no 50-50. And if I gotta go 50-50 with you, I'm not even gonna be with you, because what are we doing here? I might as well be free and go get a roommate if I'm gonna go 50-50. So what Glorilla is saying is some truth in it, and it's some hell no in it. Now, as women, I heard someone say on the internet, we always trying to cancel out men. We always want to be, I don't need a man, I don't need a man, I don't need this, I don't need that. I know, when I read someone say, to retire comfortably, we talk about normal people, you're going to need 2 incomes to retire comfortably. I know people that are retired, they have 2 incomes and they live comfortably off 2 incomes. You can't retire as a single woman. You just have to have been really disciplined in putting your money up, and you have to have a certain amount of money in the bank to retire comfortably. So you can't set yourself up to retire without a man. It's just a lot of hard work. It's a lot of hard work. So what she was saying is, it's easier to retire with a man than to retire without one. And I totally agree. I see couples that are retired and they're living happily. They're enjoying the rest of their life. They're not stressed out. Both incomes are together and they paying the bills and they not working. They cool. So it's some truth in, yes, you do need a man. If you don't want a man, if you don't want to retire with a man, you got to work 10 times as hard for you not to retire with a spouse, a husband, a spouse or a husband. I think that was the only thing you retire with, either a spouse or a husband. So y'all tell me how y'all feel about Glorilla saying that you should go half on the bills with a man. I guess that's what she was saying. You should go half on the bills with a man you with, or you should just split the bills with a man you with, and you shouldn't put all the pressure on him. Now, true, you shouldn't put all the pressure on him, but ain't no splitting. Ain't no splitting. I never seen my mom and dad was never equal. My dad was always the leader of the house. He made sure all the bills was paid. He made sure all his kids have everything they need. and his wife. And again, if anything went down and anything fell short, they worked together, they figured it out, and it got done. Ain't no 50-50. I would never be in a relationship or be with a boyfriend that live with me and go down and split no bills. I just won't. I just don't. I don't believe in that. So y'all tell me how y'all feel about 50-50 relationships, splitting the bills, or the woman paying all the bills, or the man paying all the bills, or the splitting of the bills. Or do y'all agree with me and say the man should have the bulk of the bills and give me the other little bills? So if we got 10 bills, give me 3 of them. If he can handle it. That also depends on what he can handle too. So you know, if he's making $50,000 a year, he cannot pay all 10 bills. So you might have to pay a couple of those bills if y'all living in a household together. It's like you're a team. I don't think it's a team when it's 50-50. I don't think it's a team. I think if you're in a serious committed relationship or a marriage, the man needs the bulk of the bills. How y'all feel about what Glorilla said? Let me know in the comments below. I'm going to meet y'all down there. Thank you all for watching. Hecky now, Joe. It's Beauty Passion, and I'm out.